Okay, what's going on, YouTube? So in this segment, I'm going to talk about the new classes that I told you guys was going to come up in May. I'll give you the date for that. And I have a slide. I did say I was going to go over some of the coding in the slide. This is like 5 minutes. So this coding is just to show you what's in the classroom, what is in the courses, what is in the program. Okay, so this is just letting you know that. So firstly, the next courses for the 15 weeks, for the full 15 weeks, is May 15th. Okay, it's May 15th. All right, and this is the courses. Okay, so that starts May 15th. And that means that I will be starting from the beginning. These are for beginners, expedited coders, expedited billers. But May 15th, I'll be starting with billing, starting from billing from scratch. Okay, so next, the coding in the ICD-10 book. Make sure you guys get that ICD-10 book. The books are in the syllabus. So if you guys need me to show that, I'll show that again. I put pictures of the step-by-step, the insurance book, and the language of medicine. So the ICD-10 has 21 chapters. Now, the 21 chapters, when you hear me say chapters, I'm talking about the subjects. So you guys know that you're supposed to give me a subject summary for each chapter. That's for each chapter you do. If you do cardiovascular, I want a chapter for cardiovascular. Give me a summary. Let me know you're good with it. That's what it's for. So in the ICD-10 course, there's a section in there I don't want you guys to get confused with. It'll say specific guidelines, lesson 4, specific guidelines, lesson 5, specific guidelines, lesson 6. That is not the same lesson over and over and over. Look at the section where it says this is chapters 1 through 10. This is chapters 1 through 14, chapters 15 to 21. So they all have the same title because I have to go by the book so you guys can follow. So I'm going to put this slide on and I'm going to go through it quickly just so you guys can see it. If you guys need to pause this, that's fine. I'm going to put websites and emails below. Make sure you subscribe. So let's go over that ICD-10 slide. Now, this is only one of the slides in the ICD-10 course. The ICD-10 course is how do we code? Ms. Lambert, how many digits is in a code? Do we need to code the 7th digit? Do we need to code to the fullest extent? All that kind of stuff is in this course. This is one slide to this course. There are, I think, 11 lessons in this course. This is one. Okay, this is one. And this is one of the core lessons. This lesson starts with an overview 1, overview 2, overview 3, etc. I think I have 5 overviews, and then we go to the core courses. Okay, that's 5 overviews, the same as lessons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, same as lessons. This is a core course. There are about 12 core courses. So let's go in there. And don't forget, when you do it, when you take this course, those of you who are starting daily, when I say starting daily, I mean, if you start today, you start anytime you want to, just buy the course and I'll put you in the right place. You don't have to start with the bulk. Let's say Jamaica Hospital, them girls, they all started at the same time. That's different than you just going in and buying it. Oh, you start now. You're on an independent schedule. Okay. So that's what I mean when I say that. The whole thing is going to start again in May. And don't forget, if you feel like you haven't got enough out of the course, take it again. Miss Lambert, I'm going to take this again. So if you see me shooting you some emails, I got lost in the first lesson. I'm coming back. All right, no problem. Just shoot me a text. So let's go ahead and go through that. Remember, this is one. I'm not sure which class it is. I just put it on there on the YouTube University. So let's check it out. I'm gonna share my screen with you guys, and let's see. Yeah, I did. I had that, that nail missing. I had to get him right. So you guys know I ain't that straight-faced teacher that just sit up in the chair like, yes, sir, and yes, we're going to do. Forget about it. Forget it. Yeah. We ain't gonna. Y'all got jokes? Let me hear them. Okay, but yeah, I want to see y'all do your work. Okay. I must drop this at 7 o'clock And I'll bring it back down, I'll let you guys know, but you guys know I'm dropping at 7 o'clock. But there may be different times that I put this in. You know, not this. I'm just dropping at 7 o'clock. Y'all know my time is 7. I'm working on different times. But this is that coding thing I told y'all I was going to go ahead and drop so I can give y'all a little sneak peek of what the coding is going to be like. Okay? What the coding is going to be like. And you know what? If you go on www.sapphirecoding.com, I have made I think I have the April promotion. The April promotion is I've slashed the prices of the courses in half. And I also put one of the courses is 0. You guys remember sometimes I might throw 0 charge. If you go on www.shopify. That's the only one I'm doing it in. I'm not doing it for Shopify and STC. If you go to my website, you'll see it in there. I think I dropped the medical terminology on 0 charge. And that's because that one is in PDF. The way that you're looking at this, all of the courses will be just like this. You will see my face, you will see me talking. I might come on in the beginning, just like I'm coming on right now. And then you see me up in the corner and I'll be talking. I won't talk through the whole video because you're doing your work. You're doing what you got to do. So that 01, that may be PDF. Some of it is not. I'm not really sure if I did them all. And the PowerPoint, but the PowerPoint is created into a video. So that's a digital upload. You go there and check it out. When you go on the website, what I'm doing now, I'm just loading individual. So when you don't go on, you just see that this is the coding course. And that's it. I used to have it like that, but I said, you know, maybe I better start putting those courses in one by one so that you all can see what kind of courses are in there. So this one has about 14. When I finish with this one, I'm gonna pop all of them in there. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe. Wait a minute. My Facebook people, those are my Facebook friends. And you guys know I hate that. Don't call me friend. I done told them about calling me friend. If you don't know my name, then don't call me out. Lisa. Okay, if you don't want to call me Lisa, that's fine. You can call me Ms. Lambert, but don't be calling me friend. I know I don't. Everybody have pet peeves. Y'all know how I am about my pens, my pencils. I have pens and pencils everywhere. I have to have a certain type of pen and pencil. People, you know, teachers have pet peeves, and one of them is do not say to me, "Can you please?" I'm gonna jump out my seat if you say that. Okay, and do not call me friend. Okay, Lisa is just fine. Okay, so. Let's go. Let's roll them. Let's get that slide. Okay, so let's go ahead and share this screen. Let's get this slide. There's only a few minutes. Let's find it. All right, there it is. All right. Let's get it rolling. So this is the slide, and you guys know how I always have them. Like I try to put it like slideshow so you guys can see it. So this is what it is. So this is lesson 6, specific guidelines, and this is in the step-by-step book. So make sure you guys have your step-by-step book. Okay, that's in the syllabus. I can't put everything on Facebook, but I try, you know. I put the name of the book in the last video. You guys are going to have to go get that video. Okay, I even put a copy of the book. Okay, so this is the chapter guidelines. There'll be 5, 6, and 7. You guys are going to see the same thing. It's going to say chapter guidelines, okay? Because there are 21 chapters, okay? If you guys see anything that looks a little funky, don't worry about it. This is just a sketch for YouTube. I'm gonna check that. Okay, so again, you know, this is the ICD-10 guidelines. The guidelines is this big. You guys know that. That's the core of learning how to code, diagnosis code. Read the guidelines 50 times. I'm exaggerating. About 3 or 4. Just keep doing it and make sure you have your index cards, okay? So this is just one of the slides that's there, what you'll be doing. You're reading the chapter and you're answering the questions. You're reading the chapter and answering the questions. And I sit down in a traditional school. I'm giving you this book. You're sitting at your desk and you're reading the book and you're answering the questions. And you're giving me your test when you're done. I will tell you no informalities. I don't know what it was, 13,500. This is exactly how they used to give it at, I can't even think of the school over there. But that's basically what it is. And it's similar to, you know, online courses. You read and you do what you got to do. You hand in your coursework and let me grade it. If you fail, all right, you need to do it again. Okay. And I always put little notes up there, you know, use your most current book, do research if you want to. You can use any other resources that you want. Just try not to cheat with the codes. I mean, don't go into, you know, www.google, tell me what the ICD-10 is. That's not learning how to code. I need you to hit that ICD-10 book and do what you need to do. All of the courses will look similar to this. This is jumping into the core courses where you are looking for codes. You see what I'm saying? Before these type of slides, I have already showed you how to code. We have went through that ICD-10 book page by page. We have went through the step-by-step book page by page. You have to show me now how, if you understand, and let me see if you are able to I can't even say it, are able to code, okay? Let me see if you are able to code. So that's what this is. Pause this video if you need to write down something. Yes, you can pause this video if you need to write down something. Okay, request a hard copy. This is where you need to go to request a hard copy. Okay, so you guys, you see how quick that was? That's all it is. Everything is there. The stores are there. And I have more than just books, you know, in all those stores. Black Phoenix Team Us, you guys know that is us. So that was your demo. As you can see, you know, remember to complete your subject summary. This would be, you know, a subject summary. Let's say cardiovascular. Y'all know I love cardiovascular. That's why I'm always saying that. But it could be integumentary. I don't care. You know, OBGYN or whatever, male, female. Okay, I'm going to stop to share because that's all that was. Okay, so here I am. So now that's what it is. That's what the coding is. Once I give you that coding training, that program training, or you, even if you guys have it yourself, that's all you're going to do. Let me see if you can demonstrate. That's the word I was looking for. Demonstrate the coding. Okay, we go over that word for word. And some of you don't like to talk when you're in the Zoom. I don't know why. Everybody's just quiet. Type it in. There's a way that you do it on there where everybody can't see, you know, what you type in. But I mean, it's okay. You can shoot me an email if you have a question or whatever. Okay, so that's the video that I'm going to drop tonight. And tomorrow we'll drop another one, but that was just a quickie to let you guys see what the coding course is like. That's just one slide. And again, check the website and see if there's anything in there that you want to kind of look at. You can look at those courses and you can see what's actually in the courses, because you won't see that here. You won't see that in Ecstasy or Shopify, or Amazon. You will only see the breakdown of the courses on www.sapphirecoding.com. Okay, I'm 15 minutes in. I'm going to sign off and I'll see you guys next time. Good luck.